Good morning. Today I'm going to share with you about how to import chart of accounts in your Zero account. So to do that, you may go to Accounting tab, then select Chart of Accounts, then Import. Then you are directed in this question, what system are you importing from? Then does the file you are importing contain account balances? So you may click zero, then yes, since the account that you are going to import contain account balances. Then you may set up the conversion date. So in this example, I will select May 2023, then browse file. Make sure that the files that you are going to import is saved in CSV file. Then click import. So there are 62 accounts that will be imported. Then you can see here the balances as of April 30, 2023. Then select confirm. So you need to confirm your bank and credit card accounts. So CBE Visa is a credit card. Then can input here the last four digits of the credit card. Westpac commercial bank loan is a bank account. Then can input here the bank account of a Westpac. Then the other account, Westpac business account, is also a bank account. Then you can input here the last four digit uh, number of a bank account. Then after confirming your bank and credit card accounts, you can select, you can click here save. So you can see here you already imported the uh, chart of accounts under the business name RG Accounting Services. Then after setting up chart of accounts, you can go to settings and uh, here advanced settings. Then you can select the tracking categories. Uh, Tracking categories is very important because it will help you to categorize expenses. Uh, let's say categorize expenses uh, in every department. So you can add uh, a tracking categories here. So this is very important when you are going to categorize a certain expenses. So this I will categorize sales, okay, marketing, okay, save. So that's it about importing chart of accounts at Zero.